Hi foodies, Chef Pete here today in Carpizzo's Kitchen, all part of HEALEADTEACH we are. And today I want to show you, Anthony will zoom in on this plate. I have 3 beautiful fillets of flounder. Now what flounder is a whitefish. It's a whitefish like cod, or it's a whitefish like sole, okay? And these are beautiful thin fillets, and today I'm not going to bread them. I'm not going to fry them. I am going to air fry them on the air fry sheet, okay? And I'm going to do them because these are about roughly 90 calories a piece, these little fillets. And when I pick it up, you can see how very thin they are.
Can I see through it?
No, you can't see through it, Anthony. They have some meat, right? Okay, and then the accompaniments I always like to do is I like to make a fresh tartar sauce. Okay, and this one,
what is in there?
I put a little mayonnaise in here today, of avocado mayonnaise, and a little bit of ketchup with some onion, okay, and a little bit of dill, okay? Now, you don't have to put the ketchup, but I put a little ketchup just for a change. And then over here, I've made a fresh, beautifully done coleslaw just for our little fish feast we're having today, or a fish air fry, as I like to say, okay? And then I have over here a vegetable that's cooking. I have some vegetable cooking, okay? So all we need to do with this, it's really simple.
Can we put horseradish in here?
You can, if you like horseradish, put it, okay? Put what you like. All right, now let's get back to the preparation of the fish, everybody. First, spray your pan. You can use canola oil. I'm using olive oil. Okay, and then what we want to do is get our fish on here. 1 fillet, 2 fillets, 3 fillets, and we're going to split the 3rd one between the 2 of us. And then what I'm going to do is rinse my hands, because I'm touching fish and I don't want to smell like a giant fish, right? Okay, I'm going to give it a spray of olive oil, each fillet, just like this, so we keep our calories down in what we're doing here today, right? Okay. Now, ground thyme is an excellent herb to put on these, and I just kind of go just with a little on there like this. Not an awful lot, but just some. And then I have some beautiful lemon pepper, and this has salt in it. So lemon pepper on each fillet. So we might want to call these lemon pepper flounders today. Okay? All right, and I have the air fry oven is ready to go. I've got it at 425. You can do it at 400, whatever you like. Just keep an eye on them. They don't take long to do. All right, so in they go in our air fry oven. And while they're in the air fry oven, I've got our veggies over here, which should be ready. Yeah, they are. And what I'm going to do with our veggies is I'm going to take them out and put them in this dish and then put them back on top of our steamer. See, on the stove there we have our steamer going, and you can see look at all the steam coming out. And so I like to put just a little bit of olive oil on top as I set them on top of the steamer. This is a good hint to keep things warm, okay? And I have a little cauliflower in here, and then I put the lid back on top. So those are ready for us to go, okay? And we have our tartar sauce, and we have our beautiful, beautiful coleslaw. Okay, so you can put lemon on the table if you like. Pair this with a salad. Let me show you what the salad looks like, everyone, today. And I have some beautiful salad that I've cut up today for Anthony and I.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
And here we have 2 salads ready to go. Avocado. I used some butter lettuce today, some little grape tomatoes, and a little cucumber. So there you have it. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's.
So, and we wanted to thank our subscribers. All the new subscribers.
Yeah! We always thank you guys. I'm thanking you again, and I want to keep thanking everyone for the support to HEALEADTEACH in Carpizzo's Kitchen, because you know what? It makes Chef Pete, and it makes Anthony, and makes the 2 of us really happy that you're following us and watching us on our culinary bus as we move through and forward to cooking, eating, and enjoying. And we love you all. So this is Peter Carpizos. We'll come to the table and show you how nice the fish is when it's done. This is Pete, out.